Good evening, sir. Now in this video, I want to uh, present about implementation of PBL in English language learning. And topic first, problem in implementation of PBL in English language learning. I have 10 problems in implementation of PBL. First, uh, teacher readiness. Teacher readiness. Some teacher may feel under 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 period of under period or have limitation in understanding and managing PBL. Training and support are need to help teacher integrated PBL effectively. And number second, resource availability. Resource availability, PBL requests access to a variety of resources such as reading material, software, and internet access. And number third, learning time. Learning time, PBL of often requires more time than traditional teachers method. Sometimes constraint in the curriculum can be an obstacle, especially if there is pressure to complete certain subject matter. And number four, complex assessment. Assessment in PBL tend to be more complex than assessment in traditional learning approaches. Assessing understanding, skill, and group contribution can be challenging for teachers. And number five, difficulty determining relevant problems. Determining appropriate and relevant problem or project can be challenging. Problems are too abstract or too specific may not create effective learning challenge. And number six, teachers' roles as facilitator. That sorry, some teachers may find it difficult to transition from the traditional roles of information giver to the role of uh, facilitator in PBL. The ability to guide without giving direct answer in required. And number seven, equal roles and contribution in the group. There are risks that some group members may be more activity or domain while others may contribute less. And number eight, challenge for less independent students. Students who are less uh, cus- the, accustomed as custom to independent in learning or lack internal motivation may find it difficult to manage themselves during PBL. And number nine, measuring the effective of PBL. Another challenge is who to measure the effect effect effectiveness of PBL. And number 10, unlike alignment with curriculum, PBL must be integrated with exacting curriculum, and this alignment can be complete. And then the next topic is expectation. In 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 the in expect in expectation, I have 10 expectation. And first, improve English comprehension. The expecting of PBL implementation is the improve of student understanding of English. And number two, improve language skill. The PBL method is expect to improve language skill, including reading, writing, listening, and speaking skill. And number third, increase management and motivation. By presenting interesting and managing full problems or project, it is expect to students will be more motivated to learning English. And number four, development of critical thinking skills. Another expectation is the development of students' critical thinking skills. And number five, collaboration and social skills. PBL and course collaboration in groups. The expectation is the students will develop social skills such as cooperation, communication, and leadership, nurture to successful working in group. And number six, application of language in real context. PBL allows students to experience the student of language in real context. And number seven, increase students in independence by giving student responsibility for their own learning. And number eight, formative evaluation. Teacher can provide feedback formality during the PBL process, helping students improve their understanding and language skills. And number nine, interdiscipline connection. PBL often involve integration between discipline. Development of, and number 10, development of problem-solving skill. Students are expected to develop problem-solving skills through PBL. And then the next material is theory in implementation of PBL in English language learning. I have 7 theory from according number 1, Donald Woods and B. Handley, and number 2, William H. Fairwood, and number 3, Dr. Juliet Hatter, and number 4, Dr. Aisun Yusuzi and Dr. Fred Klikaya, and number 5, Howard S. Burroughs, and number 6, Curtis G. Bong and Kira S. King, and number 7, Dr. Christina Nekti. Next material is aims. I have five five aims and number one, the improve of English comprehension. The main goals of PBL is to improve student understanding of English. Number two, language skill development and encouraging the development of reading, writing, listening, and speaking skill is one of the objectives of PBL. Number third, development of critical thinking skill. PBL aims to develop student skills. I'm sorry. PBL aims to development students' critical thinking skills. And number four, collaboration and social skills. Encouraging collaboration in group is an important goals. And number five, increase students' motivation and engagement. PBL aims to increase students' motivation to learning English. The next material is reality. The reality I have five reality. And first, carefully planning. PBL implementation requires careful planning. And number two, active student involvement. PBL aims to encourage active student involvement in learning. And number three, facilitator as guide. Teacher or facilitator act as mentors rather than direct present of information. And number four, collaboration groups. PBL implementation often involve dividing student into groups. And number five, student of critical thinking skill. PBL invites student to thinking critically. And then empirical review. I take the journal for number 1, December 2021, from Nuberti Ani Susanti Suwinarni, and the research title is penerapan model problem based learning untuk meningkatkan hasil belajar peserta didik dalam pembelajaran bahasa Inggris. And then method is setting student class 7 SMP IT Mutiara Israji, and number 2 participant is students and teacher at school SMP IT Mutiara Israji, and number 3 data collection is quantitative, and number 4 data analysis observation. Okay, that's all my presentation about implementation of PBL in English language learning. and thank you.